Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the effects of leg raises on the body. Such a simple exercise as leg raises helps to solve many health problems. It is often used by yogis in their practice. Often people do not attach much importance to exercise, although it can tone your body and improve its shape. In addition, it is a method of preventing many diseases. Close attention, sufficient motor activity is given only by athletes. Regular exercise is useful for those who want to get rid of excess weight. If there are no such problems, it is enough to perform certain exercises to maintain health. One of the most effective methods is to lift your legs up. To perform it, you do not need sports equipment or special uniforms. All you will need is a wall. By doing this exercise every day, you will notice an improvement in your physical and emotional state. You can perform such a simple exercise both in the morning and in the evening. Before going to bed, you will remove fatigue and pain in the legs, and in the morning, you will be prepared for motor activity. To perform this exercise correctly, you should lie on your back and lift your legs up at an angle of 90 degrees. Do not bend your legs at the knees. The head and body should lie on the bed or on the floor. Your shoulders should be relaxed and level. Place your hands at your seams. Place a roller under them to relieve tension in the neck or lower back area. You should feel comfortable and relaxed in this position. Breathe calmly and evenly. You will feel the muscle tension go away. Stay in this position for up to 20 minutes depending on how you feel. To return to the starting position, bend your knees and take a few deep breaths and exhales. Then stand up without any sudden movements and go about your usual activities. If you do this procedure before going to bed, do not get out of bed, but try to fall asleep. There are 13 benefits of leg raises. 1. Restore bowel motility. This position benefits the motility of the gastrointestinal tract. The blood supply to these organs is improved, due to which they better perform their function. Food is digested more qualitatively and quickly. In the intestines are absorbed all the useful substances and stools are formed. This helps to get rid of constipation problems. No longer need to take laxatives. Stools become regular and soft and appetite improves. Second, elimination of edema syndrome. Lifting the legs helps to reduce swelling. It doesn't matter what the cause of the swelling is. Because of the effect of gravity, there is an outflow of excess fluid and its redistribution between the tissues. There are several causes of edema: cardiovascular or kidney disease, varicose veins, taking certain medications, sedentary lifestyle and excessive weight, static leg position, especially the leg-over-leg posture, and lesions of the lymphatic system. Doctors say that raising the legs upwards helps to eliminate edema and improve blood circulation in the legs. It is not uncommon for puffy feet at the end of the day to be a variant of the norm, so just take this position for a couple of minutes, and the fatigue will go away. Third, getting rid of heaviness in the legs. This exercise is essential for people who are constantly on their feet. Lifting your legs up for 20 minutes is a good way to relieve tension and puffiness after a day's work. In the standing position, the load on the legs becomes the heaviest, so by changing their position, you get rid of such symptoms. Fourth, normalization of blood flow. The outflow of excess fluid when the legs are upright relieves the strain on the heart. Every day, this organ passes a large amount of blood through itself. For many years, the heart successfully copes with its function, but external factors arise that hinder its work. These include excess weight, bad habits, smoking and alcohol, poor heredity for heart disease, and prolonged static loads. By doing leg lifts regularly, you improve oxygenation of all tissues and cells in the body. This is good for people with vein disease or high blood pressure, as well as for swelling in the evening. Fifth, relieving nervous tension. When you do this exercise, you breathe deeply and relax. You can feel the pain and heaviness in your legs. Naturally, physical well-being contributes to nervous tranquility. Regular exercise like this helps you fight stress and maintain harmony within yourself. 6. Relieves back pain. This symptom bothers many people of different ages. There are many reasons for its occurrence. The most common are osteochondrosis, inflammatory joint diseases, herniated spine, curvature of the spine. Back pain significantly limits a person's daily activities. You should see a doctor if you have a painful symptom. If you are aware of the possible causes of pain and it is with you all the time, then lifting your legs up will help to solve the problem. To make this exercise easier, you can put a roller under your lower back. This will help reduce the load on the skeleton. 7. Helps to fight stress. We have already said that this position normalizes the work of the nervous system. It improves sleep and promotes peace of mind. It's easier for you to deal with stress and cope with mental stress. Any body in the modern world needs an opportunity to rest. The easiest option at home is to lift your legs up. This position activates the parasympathetic nervous system. It slows down the work of all the organs, giving them an opportunity to rest. As an additional effect, you get rid of pain and swelling, which also impair the quality of life and emotional status. 8th, improves sleep. Lifting your legs up is very similar to meditation. You do the exercise and get complete relaxation and ease. Deep breathing and tranquility allow you to normalize your sleep, make it stronger, and make it easier to fall asleep. Organs get a good blood supply and do their job better. Absence of pain and swelling normalizes the emotional background. 9th, reduces menstrual pain. Not everyone knows that this exercise helps to take away severe pain during women's critical days. It promotes relaxation and the removal of muscle tone, thereby eliminating cramping and pain. Sometimes leg lifts can replace taking pills, and you no longer have to endure this ailment. During menstruation, it is not recommended to exercise. You cannot be afraid to perform this exercise as it does not require active movements. Try to eliminate painful sensations with this pose, and you will be surprised how effectively it works. 10th, starts metabolic processes. A good blood supply to the organs and tissues during this position prolongs the life cycle of all cells. This improves regeneration and repair of damaged areas. Especially such exercises are useful for people after surgery on varicose veins. Of course, you should first consult a doctor. It is possible to tone up the muscles of the legs by adding lime swings and extensions to the exercises. This gives a small load on the muscles and improves their work. 11th, stretches the hamstrings. This effect is good for the lower back because it stretches the lower back and reduces pain. The closer you lie against the wall, the more the hamstrings are stretched. Just don't overdo it, as you can cause them to tear and cause severe pain. 12th, improves blood flow to the pelvic organs. Raising the legs up improves microcirculation in the pelvic area. This promotes blood flow to the organs and muscles of the area. The result is relaxation of the muscular corset and elimination of pain. For maximum effect under the lower back, it is better to put a roller. 13th, method for the prevention of hemorrhoids. This disease is caused by blood stagnation in the hemorrhoidal veins. Prolonged sitting or lifting weights contributes to this. Lifting up your legs is a good preventive measure for this condition. This improves blood flow to the organs and decreases venous stasis. If you already have the disease, this exercise will help reduce the symptoms. After doing sports, it is good to do an upward lift with stretching of the hamstrings. This improves the saturation of tissues with oxygen and contributes to the rapid recovery of the legs. The best confirmation of all words is personal experience. Test on yourself this exercise, and the result will not keep you waiting. Not the fact that you will notice significant changes from the first time. You may need to do it more often. If you do not have the above diseases, this exercise will help you to relieve fatigue from your legs after a hard day and make it easier to fall asleep. Tell your family and friends about leg lifts, especially if someone needs such help. It's not always possible to find time to exercise, swim or run. But this exercise will not take up much of your energy or time. Just 20 minutes in the evening before going to bed, and you will have an easy walk. To perform it is very simple. You do not need additional equipment or an assistant. If you are bored just lying on your back, you can at this time read a book, watch TV or listen to your favorite music. Such a supplement will have a positive effect on the emotional sphere and nervous system. Some young mothers cannot find time to exercise because of their babies. This technique is a great option for such people. For relief, do not forget to put a roller under the neck or lower back. Place your hands along your torso, palms up or down. Watch your breathing, it should be even and deep. If you have a disease, consult a doctor before performing this exercise. Do not hold your feet up too long, as this reduces the blood flow in the feet. Remember that the optimal time is up to 20 minutes. Be sure to write in the comments whether you like this exercise and what the effect was.